Hi guys, it's Cole from Lads and Cole, and today I'm back with another video. I'm going to show you how to do this 90s half up, half done. I'm going to show you how to do this 90s style half up, half down ponytail. I never wear my hair like this, but let me tell you, I'm about to start. But before we get any further, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's ColeMB. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions. If you have them, you can leave them down below or send me a DM, whatever. Today we're just going to be doing this half up, half down trend. I seen that all over IG and I was like, okay, you know what? Quarantine, you ain't got nowhere to go, but you can still look cute and stuff. Let me know down below if you like this style on me. How about that? Let me know if you like this on me. Besides that, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into the video. And guys, just to let you know, I will be showing all the products towards the end of the video, so stick around and watch the full video to find out what products I have used to create this style. First and foremost, in this video I use the Afro-G style wrap mousse right here that you can get at your beauty supply store. This is what I use to just basically mold the hair into its shape. I obviously use the Got To Be Cool spray, blasting free spray, to set my lace frontal down, to blend in my lace and my skin color. I use my L'Oreal Infallible 24 whatever fresh wear with this brush here from Morphe. I do not know, any brush would do. And then I went ahead and pat down a little bit of foundation in there, and then it matched my skin. To flatten this section, the top section over here, I simply use my hot comb. You can get any hot comb. This is the electric one. There you go. And to get these curls, the curls are literally falling down, but you know what? I decided to use a curling iron as opposed to a flat iron. It worked pretty okay, I'm not gonna lie, but I mean, it could be a little flippier, but I feel like this is more modern. Flippy was like back in the day. We're not back in the day, we're here. So this is a little bit more modern. And what else did I use, you guys? Oh, I used the Tresemme thermal heat protectant before curling my hair, just simply to protect the hair before curling it. And to lay the lace, I did use an old stocking cap. This is my favorite of all time. It's easy, it's quick, and it does the job. I don't think I forgot anything. I used everything. Oh, and I just have this brush that I bought from Winners, I believe, a long time ago to brush out my hair. Oh my god, look at how it's falling. No. Okay, better. Like that. And that's it, you guys. That's all the products I used during this video. These are all products that you can either find on Amazon or your local beauty supply store. It's not really impossible to find. And guys, I also have a trick. You know how sometimes your ponytail, you want it to stay up like this. Usually if you wrap it, it does stay up. This is not the best example, but you can use a clip like this, or a clip a little smaller than this. Make sure that it's black. I can't find my black one. And just pop it right in the back of that, like of your pony, like this. and then when you have your hair laid like that, it will always, like, your hair will always be up, like forever and ever and ever. It will be up. But no, it'll be up for like a mad long time. So I usually do this every time I have a ponytail or something high. I want it to stay up. I make sure to put a clip, a black clip that is, so that it just stays in place and it looks high up and we look like we're walking. Like, this is a 6x6 lace frontal wig, no, lace closure wig by Isee hair, I believe. Yeah, I'll leave it down below. By Isee hair, and it's 150 density, and it is it was 18-inch, I believe. Yeah, it was 18-inch, and I cut it down to whatever this inch is, like a good 14. For today's video, thank you so much for chilling with me. I appreciate you. I love you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos soon. Bye.